So rolled the truck over twice, so we need new windshield. So as you can see, she's kind of beat. Silicone back into place after it popped out the last time after breaking. And of course the silicone's all full of mud and dirt and goo and gunge. Not pretty. Doesn't have to be pretty though. So here we are, got the windshield half out, giving it a tug, wearing leather gloves. And I found a hole. Once you pull the window out, there's no metal under there, so I'll have to fill that with silicone too. After I clean it some more. There's the window sitting down in, doesn't fit right at all. There's like a half-inch gap all the way around it. Another spot sticking out a good half-inch there. Just doesn't fit in the hole. The cab's all twisted and nothing fits. And on this side, there's another half-inch to an inch gap on that side. So lots of silicone and gob it into place. So I got it pressed down using 2x6s, holding it all down into place, just holding it into the silicone. And pile of silicone to it because it looks awesome. It looks great. Nice job. And there's some silicone come through and landed on the steering column. Big gob, I noticed later.
And today we're changing the windshield. Finally found one. Oh yeah, she's redneck how you put her in. Cab's twisted so bad, nothing fits right, so that's alright. We just use lots of silicone. Tube and a half of silicone. Head clear, and then ran out and had to use blue of all colors. So I'll have to paint that. And there's the old windshield. What's left of it.